Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades, and today I'm working on this 12 by 12 canvas, and I found two new, or they're new to me, Extreme Sheen Metallic paints at Hobby Lobby, and this one is Garnet, and then this one is called Tin. Looks kind of like silver, but I guess it's the color of tin. And then I have this DecoArt DIY Minds Mysterious, which is a really pretty kind of turquoise color. And I'm also going to be using the Artist Loft Low Acrylic White to put around the edges. So I'm going to start layering these colors into my cup. And all my paints are mixed with Floetrol and a little bit of water for consistency, no silicone. So we got the silver, mysterious, and now the garnet. And I'm just going to keep layering these in the same alternate pattern until I have all the paint into the cup. And then I'm going to do a tree ring pour. So I have all my paint in there now, and I'm ready to start. And I'm just going to start in the center of the canvas. And let it pour out. And I'm just barely shaking the cup just a little bit. I'm not sure why exactly, except that it seems to help those little rings to form. But while I'm doing this, I'm going to do my hashtag YT100 challenge shout out, and it is going to go to the queen of tree ring pours, Marcy Farrow, aka Mixed Media Girl. If you have never seen her tree ring pours, you really need to do yourself a favor and go check out her channel. I'm going to list below in the description box, and I'll put an iCard attachment at the top. And she is amazing. Her tree rings are absolutely gorgeous, as well as all of her other art pieces. I don't think there's any kind of art technique out there that she cannot do. So she is amazing. Go check her out. So I'm going to spread the white paint that I have put around the outside of my tree ring. I want it to touch the edge of the tree ring pour and then bring it all the way out to the edge of the canvas, just to give the tree ring pour paint something to glide easily across the canvas and not roll under itself. So I'm just going to do a slow, gentle swirl. I want to spread my tree ring out further before I tilt it into the corners. I'm trying to retain that center, the tree ring lines. And now I'm going to gently go towards the upper left-hand corner. Let it glide over and then pull it back so it stops flowing that direction, and then come back to the center. So you want to keep your design. It's real important to make sure that you bring that tilt back to the center of your canvas before you move on. Okay, now we got the upper right hand corner, and I'm going to let it rest for just a second. And and then we will go towards the lower left-hand corner. Stretching out real nice. Loving it. Okay. One more corner to go. Going to tilt it downward to the right hand corner. And then pull back. Let it rest for a minute. Then add a little bit of heat. Make sure that there's no bubbles underneath there. And see if there's any cells that want to come through. And then I want to give you a close-up. Please excuse the shaking, trying to lower the camera. But look at that. I love it. It almost looks red, white, and blue, but I promise you it's red, blue, and silver. So I didn't realize that I was so far off camera, but I actually had some paint left in my little cups, and I decided to do another clean pour on a 4x4 canvas, and I used black as my base and then just poured each one of the colors individually onto the canvas and then stretched it. So once I realized that I was off screen, I'm going to take you down to the 4x4 canvas and let you see it. And the colors of it is much more brilliant when you do them individually. And I really like this canvas. I wish I had done it on a bigger one now, but I didn't have enough paint left to do a bigger one. That's for another day, another video. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and please click like and share. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. Ring the bell for future notifications when I upload videos. And any comments or questions, leave them below in the comment box, and I'd love to hear your feedback. And I hope to see you in my next creative escapade. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.